If you own a CTS from the 2016 to 2019 generation, you know that worn-out shift knob feeling can absolutely ruin the luxury experience. This replacement promises to bring that new car feel back instantly, and honestly, it delivers on the promise of restoring that crucial tactile connection. We're looking at the automatic shift knob and boot combo, specifically designed for the Cadillac CTS models in that 2016 through 2019 window. The best part here is that this isn't just the knob head. It's the complete package, including the shift boot, ensuring a seamless, factory-fresh look right down to the center floor console. The material is genuine leather, and that's where the quality really shines. When you're driving a luxury sedan, the touchpoints matter, and the black leather finish here feels substantial and premium. It's designed to match the original aesthetic perfectly, avoiding that cheap, glossy aftermarket look that nobody wants in their Cadillac. What gives us confidence in the fitment is the adherence to industry standards and the specific part numbers cited: 23,107,739 and 23,460,364. When a product is built to meet those quality control benchmarks, it means you're getting a direct replacement. For the average owner, this translates to a straightforward installation. No fiddling, no forcing, just a clean swap that restores the interior to its original glory. Think about it. The shift knob is arguably the most frequently touched item in your car besides the steering wheel. Over time, sweat, oils, and friction degrade the material. Swapping out a tired, peeling knob and boot for this crisp, black leather unit is one of the fastest and most impactful ways to refresh your car's cabin. It's a small detail, but it makes a massive difference every single time you put the car in drive. If your CTS is starting to show its age right where your hand rests, this is a necessary upgrade. It's a high-quality, direct-fit solution that instantly elevates the driving experience and restores the premium feel that Cadillac owners expect.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.